How to fix Android Auto not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Android Auto not working. So here, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first step is to check cable or wireless connection. So if you are using USB cable, make sure it's a high quality data cable, not just a charging cable. And for the wireless auto, simply check that the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both turned on. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2, that is to update apps. So here simply open the Play Store app on your phone, and now here once you have opened the Play Store, simply search for the Android Auto app. And now here, once you have found the Android Auto app, if you see any updates in it, simply update the Android Auto app. And now here, with that, moving forward to the step 3 is checking the car compatibility. So not all cars support Android Auto, so check your car infotainment system and make sure that Android Auto is enabled in the settings. And now with that, step 4, that is to clear cache. So simply open the settings app on your phone, and now here, once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here, just tap on manage apps. And once you see the interface like this, just tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Android Auto. And now here, once you're inside the Android Auto settings, simply tap on clear all data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on OK. And once you do that, it will fixes the loading and connection issue. And with that, you simply have to move forward to the step 5, that is to reset your connection. So here simply forget your car in the Android Auto settings and then reconnect it. And for the wireless, simply remove the pairing and set it up again. And if this hasn't solved the issue, then simply move forward to the step 6, that is to try another phone or cable. So here, if the system is still not working, then you can test it with another cable or phone to check if the problem is with your device or the car system. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Android Auto not working with a simple solution. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.